If you're a shorter guy over 40 and your outfits aren't doing you any favors, it's not your height, it's your closet. You don't need platform shoes. You need clothes that actually respect your frame and your age. Because here's the deal, most guys over 40 are still dressing like it's 2005. Or worse, like they gave up somewhere around the third belt loop. And the result? You look shorter, wider, and older than you actually are. But the good news is, style isn't magic, it's math. Fix the formula and you will look instantly taller, sharper, and 10 pounds more confident. So let's break down the 13 style mistakes that are holding you back and what to wear instead to look like the grown man who actually gets it. My name is Omari and I have a passion for fashion and want to share all the stuff that I know with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. Style mistake number 1, oversized clothes. Baggy, loose, oversized clothes might feel comfortable, but they are not doing your body any favors. They drown your frame, especially if you're under 5'9". If your sleeves look like they hiding snacks for later, or your pants pull around your shoes like a curtain, yeah, it's time to rethink. Here's the fix. Tailored close to the body fits. Not tight, not restrictive. Just clean. You want your shoulder seams to sit at the shoulder, your pants to fall smoothly, and your jacket to taper just a bit at your waist. Comfort and style can coexist. This isn't fashion week. It's about looking sharp in everyday life. Style mistake number 2, the shirt that ate your legs. Ever look at a photo of yourself and think, why do I look like I have no legs? That's probably your shirt hanging too low. Long shirts, especially tees or polos, that fall past mid-fly, visually cut your legs short and throw off your balance. So what to do? Look for shirts that end around 2 to 3 inches below your waistband. And if your favorite shirt is a bit too long, tailor it. Or find brands that offer shorter length cuts designed especially for shorter guys. Remember, a shorter shirt doesn't mean you are wearing a crop top. It just means your proportions are finally working for you, not against you. Mistake number 3, loud prints are not a personality substitute. If your shirt looks like it belongs at a children's birthday party or screams, I own 6 parrots, you are probably overdoing the patterns. Big bold prints, giant checks, loud florals, wide stripes overpower a smaller frame. They make you disappear behind the design. Go for micro patterns, subtle textures, or thin vertical stripes. These add style without shouting. You want people to notice you, not just your shirt screaming for attention. Style mistake number 4, thick fabrics make you look like a couch. Heavy denim, chunky knits, thick fleece, great for insulation, terrible for proportion. When the fabric is bulky, it adds width and kills definition. Instead of strong and structured, you end up looking like a human bean bag. Instead, upgrade to lightweight wools, cotton blends, and technical knits. These drape nicely, move with your body, and keep your silhouette clean. Layers are fine. Just make sure they are stacked, not stuffed. Style mistake number 5, pants rolls that ruin your legs. Rolling your jeans 6 times or letting them break into a slouchy mess around your shoes, that's not style, that's sabotage. Thick cuffs and messy stacks break up your leg line, and shorter guys can't afford that visual interruption. Here's what to do. Get your pants hemmed. Aim for little to no break. Clean lines from your hip to your shoe. Means longer legs, sharper style. It's like magic, but instead of a wand, it's a tailor. Style mistake number 6, belts that scream "cut me in half." High contrast belts split your body into two visual blocks. The result? You look shorter every time. Instead, stick to belts that match or closely blend with your pants. Dark on dark, light on light. And skip the giant cowboy buckles. Unless you are actually in a rodeo. This one detail can completely change your outfit's balance. Quick pause before we keep going. I've linked 10 wardrobe essentials in the description down below, handpicked for shorter men over 40. These are items that do the heavy lifting for you. They streamline your frame, upgrade your proportions, and take the guesswork out of dressing sharp. Check them out after the video. Style mistake number 7, low-rise pants are a no-rise for short guys. Low-rise pants sit on your hips, not your waist. And when your pants start lower, your legs look shorter. Here's a better option. Mid or high-rise pants. They sit at your natural waist, stretch your leg line, and keep your torso and lower body in harmony. They also look more grown up, which, let's be honest, we are now. We just don't want to dress like our dads in 1994. Style mistake number 8, chunky sneakers. You might think a thick sole adds height. And technically it does, but visually it adds bulk and make your feet look like clown shoes. Instead, choose low-profile, streamlined shoes. Minimal leather sneakers, sleek boots, slim loafers. All of these keep your leg line flowing and your outfit grounded, without dragging you down. Number 9, horizontal stripes are sneaky saboteurs. Wearing horizontal stripes when you're shorter is like turning yourself into a stack of pancakes. Wide, flat, not the look. Trade them out for vertical elements. Pinstripes, seams, pleats, vertical zippers, and narrow lapels. Even the way your jacket buttons can create vertical flow. You want the eye to move up and down, not side to side. Style mistake number 10, the untucked shirt disaster. Untucked shirts can look stylish or sloppy. Here's the issue. Most guys wear shirts that are meant to be tucked and then don't tuck them. Here's what to do. Either tuck your shirt, especially with higher rise pants, or buy shirts made to be worn untucked. These are shorter, straighter at the hem, and won't swallow your frame. It's not about always dressing formal. It's about looking intentional. Style mistake number 11, double-breasted jackets add bulk, not bravado. They look sharp on 6 feet male models, but on shorter guys, they add bulk to your midsection and shorten your legs. Choose single-breasted blazers with a lower button stance and narrower lapels. These create vertical space and help elongate your frame. Make sure the blazer stops around mid-seat, not halfway to your knees. Anything longer will make your legs vanish. Style mistake number 12, coats that drown you. Long trench coats and parkers may look dramatic, but if you're under 5'9", they just make you look like you're playing dress up in your big brother's closet. Go with outerwear that ends at the hip or mid-thigh. Bomber jackets, trucker jackets, suede jackets, and cropped top coats. These give you shape without stealing your height. Keep the structure, lose the bulk. And last but not least, style mistake number 13, wide leg pants don't widen your appeal. I get it, they are trending, yes. But for most shorter guys, they just make your legs look shorter and your whole look less refined. Stick to tapered or slim straight fits. Clean lines without squeezing your thighs. This helps your body look longer and leaner without falling into skinny jean territory. Proportions over trends, always. Here's the bottom line. Looking taller, sharper, and more confident doesn't mean changing your height. It means changing your choices. Get the fit right, stick to clean proportions, simplify your look. Once you make these 13 tweaks, you will be amazed how much taller, younger, and more confident you feel. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more style advice. And let me know in the comments which of these mistakes have you been making. Check out the links in the description. I've picked out some killer pieces tailored specifically for shorter men over 40. Thanks for watching. My name is Omari. I wish you, as always, all the best. Until next time, peace.